This is Apex Home Inspections. We're currently at 15625 Southwest Royalty Parkway. As you can see, there's a front doors right there. Just to the left underneath this window, we've got a 4-inch cast iron clean out that we're dropping down into. Pretty good offset right off the bat. So far, joints look great. That's probably one of the questions, is that's a huge offset. Load this line for a minute. Quick locate and see where I'm at. It's not bad. I mean, that was a pretty huge offset though.
What is an offset? What does that mean?
It's on the...
I saw it on the video, but...
I just completed the locate on this one, and I am really close to the main street clean out for the cul-de-sac. I just cannot get this line any closer, so that dark hole right there in the middle is probably the opening access to it. So let's go ahead and pull this back a little bit again. Yeah, and see this right here, there's a double opening right here. So this is actually entering, this is the main right here. Okay. Can you see it? Because look, there's a access, that's these two houses left and right of us going into that sewer line. So this 71 feet, that's the end of their sewer.
Okay.
So 71 feet is the actual end into the city main, because the next step is going right into the neighbors adjoining. So this is the only spot right there. See that? Because that's a big opening. This could be dirt coming in on the bottom there. Well, technically it's the top, but that's such an open section right there. But that's in the street, so we have to check with the city, because if they say, well, if it's not backing up into the house, it's not clogged, let it be. I've seen that happen quite a bit.
Okay.
Because technically, I mean, these are housed in bells, so the concrete slips into another piece of concrete, and it's got a housing around it.
Okay.
So it it has a little room to pull apart or anything like that, but usually on the house property, if it's that separated, it's end of life. Probably needs to be repaired, but check with the city because that's definitely a street.
Okay.
Let's see. The rest of these lines, I mean, if you look at these joints, those are clean. Those are nice.
Awesome.
I mean, that's the way concrete should look. That's the worst one, but I've seen that probably just mortar build up. That's a common spot for that, but it's not wide enough for me to be concerned. All these joints are looking pretty good all the way back, so I'm a little confused on what was marked up there on the corner of property. So far, everything else looks to be okay. I don't see any big cracks. It's fine.
And if my buyer has any questions, can she talk to you about it?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This is that other one. But this is a joint. This is a turn. I'm not concerned about it.
Okay.
So I mean, if there was big roots coming in through there, absolutely,
Right.
be questioning it all day. But these are just back-to-back turns.
Good. Well, that's a relief.
I don't think it's as bad as someone said it was.
Yeah. I'm not surprised. Sometimes you need a couple opinions.
We'll go ahead and stop it since we're at the main here. Okay. This is that spot I was questioning right there. See, I thought that was a root, but I don't think it is.
Okay.
It's just on the turn. It's literally right here at the transition. So